Hello and welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Tim Werner and you're watching the module entitled Creating a Database in Oracle Database 12c. In this module, we're actually going to create the database proper. We know that in Oracle there's a tricky relationship between the instance and the database. Even more so in Oracle 12c, we have this whole concept of the multi-tenant architecture. We'll start in this module with a little bit on the importance of planning your database creation. This brings in issues of hardware, the purpose of the database, and then choices along the way. I'm actually going to teach you most of those choices in the context of a demo. I think that's probably the most appropriate way to go. To that end, we'll use the Database Configuration Assistant to create a container database. You know how to create a non-CDB. We've done that in the course already, so I think it would be instructive to show you how easy it is to build out a container database with one or more pluggable databases inside it. Along the way, we have some certification objectives to cover, like managing database templates and creation scripts and configuring database options. There's a lot of good practical information in this module, so let's get right to it.